Welcome to our Python Projects for Beginners series. In this series, we'll walk you through step-by-step tutorials on creating simple Python projects that are perfect for students at the Class 12 level. Whether you're looking to build a basic calculator, simple games, or a student database system, we've got you covered. Let's start with a basic calculator project. We'll guide you through creating a program that can perform simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is a great way to get hands-on experience with Python's fundamental concepts while building a practical application. Next, we'll explore the world of simple games. From text-based adventures to number-guessing games, we'll show you how to use Python to create fun and interactive projects that will sharpen your programming skills and keep you engaged. Finally, we'll dive into building a student database system. This project will teach you how to manage and organize student information using Python. You'll learn about data structures, file handling, and more as you develop a useful tool for tracking student records. Each tutorial will break down the project into manageable steps, making it easy for beginners to follow along and understand the code. By the end of this series, you'll have a collection of Python projects to showcase your skills and knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our Python projects for beginners tutorials. Get ready to bring your Python skills to the next level. Happy coding!